Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. I hope you're all doing well. You should not be stopping your preparation, my dear students. Go for it. Be courageous, be very consistent, and don't stop. Have a conviction in your mind that you are going to sit on the chair of what? Group 1 or Group 2? Post. Okay. Don't procrastinate. Don't be lazy. Don't be casual. When you are already decided that you have to get into the government service, then what is that you are waiting for? You know that you wanted to do government service. Then what is that you are waiting for? That clarity, if you don't have, no, then you will not do anything in your life. And I should not say that, but it's kind of suggestion to you. Right. So a small advertisement to all the students who are watching me for the very first time. So with regard to Indian subjects economy, with regard to regional subject Telangana movement, I am having good amount of expertise in it. You can be a part of the classes, content, discussion, doubt clarification, and also test series, MCQs, mains answer writing, etc. So and so forth. And if you are taking this course, you will be getting SNT lectures in free and current affairs of India or regional. So today we'll be talking about stable coin. So stable coin, it has been there in the news. Nirmala Sita Raman madam, the finance minister of our country, she actually was delivering a lecture in one of the conclave, and she said that we should be very much aware of these coins, and she's also hinting one fact that this particular coins, cryptocurrencies that we call it as in general, will be will be very important in future. So she has not denied the fact that we will never be using this kind of coin. Okay, she has not denied that fact. She said that okay, has been evolving. We should also work towards it for the development of our own cryptocurrency, which has already been launched in the year 2022 by the RBI. I hope this is all clear to you. I'll just check that my video is running or not, because just now I've recorded a video where I got stuck, okay, very early in my lecture. Then I have to re-record this all again, right? So today we'll be talking about stable coin. Clear? So stable coin is a crypto asset, just like Ethereum, just like other crypto coins we are having. Stable coin is also crypto asset. Nothing but it. Everything happens with this particular coin. Coin itself is nothing but currency. Currency itself is used for what? Transaction of goods, service, payments, settlements, etc. So and so forth. Gift, donation, whatsoever you want to do with the coin. What you are able to do with your physical currency, nothing but notes. You can do everything with this coin also. So why we call it as crypto means it's a technology on which these coins are built. Remember this point. Okay, a stable coin is a crypto asset that aims to maintain a stable value relative to a specified asset or a pool of asset. A very good coin and very good feature that I have not seen in other cryptocurrencies. Why? Because other cryptocurrencies generally rely on the dynamics of the market, supply, demand, etc. So the prices may go down, prices may go up. That's a common phenomena we see in the cryptocurrency, but it is not like the stable coin is nothing but if you're taking a fridge, if it is like 10,000 stable coin means it will be that much only. Okay, so for a asset, the stable coin amount that you are shelling to buy it will be almost equal, not so high, not so low. These assets could be monetary unit of account. Okay, with the stable coin, the stable coin could be equal to what? Dollar or euro or a currency basket. Okay, a commodity such as gold or any other unbanked cryptocurrency not issued by any of the central bank of any countries. If that kind of private cryptocurrencies are also there, if you have seen the ODI World Cup of India which we have won, so in that Vicky Kaushal was promoting a crypto coin which is called as DCX. Okay, this is a private coin, means that coin is not backed by government of India. Like that, many such coins are there which has been initiated or promoted by the private people. So those are all considered into one group called as unbacked crypto assets. I hope this is all clear to you. Okay, so let us rewind again so that it goes in your mind again and again. A stable coin, it is a crypto asset, okay, that maintains a stable value relative to a specified asset. Fridge, a fixed value, a stable value will be there, or a pool of assets, could be what? Stocks, could be what? Shares. Okay, in a particular pool, mutual pool. These assets could be a monetary unit. When stable coin, one unit will be equal to dollar. We can easily relate it to what? Euro, what? A currency of basket, ETFs, etc. So and so forth. or can also be with the physical assets like gold or any other unbanked crypto asset. This stability can also be achieved only if a centralized institution is in charge of issuing, that is nothing but minting in the form of digital way, redeeming nothing but if you don't want it, taking it back, these crypto assets. So what in this conclave it was being told by the Nirmala madam is that she was actually attending one of the conclave with regard to this kind of economic discussions, where she said that she has not right away rejected the concept of cryptocurrency in our country. Obviously the cryptocurrency was launched in our country in 2022 and we are actually running it on pilot basis, means some of the areas of our economy, some of the areas of our transactions we are using it. And she said that okay, she's not denying the fact that we will never use it. She's saying that okay, we have to build a structure and ecosystem where these cryptocurrencies can thrive. So our government attitude with regard to cryptocurrency is not very lazy. We are being very proactive also in this area, right? So madam has said that the stable coin is very important, because you know that the Ethereum, whatever the cryptocurrencies we are having, no, they go two down, two up, two down, two up. Because of this, it is very difficult to value a asset. Suppose 10,000 Ethereum, it is a cryptocurrency, 10,000 Ethereum, we can able to buy a land, but that land value is, suppose I'll just give you a statistical example. Suppose this is a 1 acre of land, it costs around 1 crore rupees to buy. To 1 crore rupees, suppose I have to shell around 1 lakh Ethereum like cryptocurrency. So 1 lakh Ethereum, I can buy this 1 crore rupees of land. Nothing but 1 lakh Ethereum is equals to 1 crore at this point of time. So this is how the value is. But what happens is after 10 days, this 1 lakh Ethereum could become what, 50 lakhs also. 1 lakh Ethereum could become what, 2 crores also. Getting my point here. So the dynamics of these cryptocurrencies are very high and very low also. Why? Because they are all depends on demand and supply in the market. So that's why at that conclave madam has said that it is not possible to trade in these cryptocurrencies because the dynamics of them are very high. Steep increase, steep downfall will be there. So we need a stable coin, right? So I have, that's what the discussion was there. Now let us also talk about our cash but digital. This is our cryptocurrency given by our central bank, that is but RBI. It serves as a legal backing, nothing but if you're having this in your wallet, you can easily buy. So right now it has not been enabled. Right now it has not been enabled in the sense that if you are actually shopping on Amazon, Flipkart, so when you select your items in the cart, then you'll go for payment or not. Yes, in the payment option you will be having credit card, debit card, UPI, internet banking. No, if another important payment option is given in the form of RBI digital currency, then it means that it has been given to the retail also, like we are retail people, it has been given to that. Okay, then that option they have to give it because it is the official currency of India or not. Yes, it is the official currency of India, so we can make payments in that also. They have to take it, but at this point of time that retail digital currency has not been launched. We do not have that payment option, but still we are piloting it with regard to wholesale, etc., so and so forth. Central bank, CEB means central bank digital currency, are cryptocurrencies issued by the central bank, and same just like how the coins and notes, whatever you are having in your hand, how they are being used, you can use this digital rupee of the RBI exactly in the same way. Digital rupee, that is ER we call it as, is India's central bank digital currency. It is in the digital form of India's physical currency. Whatever the physical notes you're having, it is just exactly the digital form of it. E-rupee is issued by Reserve Bank of India in digital forms, and other features similar to, exactly similar to how do you use your cash on coins, just like convenience of use. You can use this anywhere, whether in a tailor, whether in a street cart, whether in the mall, wherever you want to use, you can use just like your notes and coins, guaranteed of RBI. So if anybody taking from you, I am having the e-rupee and somebody takes from me, say they don't have to worry about it because it's the official currency, it is guaranteed by RBI. Finality of settlement, you can easily settle your debts or whatever the transactions are there. It is stored in the user's digital wallet and can be used to receive, just like Paytm is there. Now we can put the digital rupee also in that, so that you can make payment for shopping, tea, for etc., so and so forth, just like How do you do with your coins and notes? The logo and tagline for the India CBDC is under cash but digital. These e-wallets, e-digital rupee wallets are safe and secure according to RBI. There is no minimum balance that you need to put it. You can have zero e-rupees. You can have any number of e-rupees up to you. You can use them into 24 into 7. It's not like that in the midnight after 12 you cannot do transaction. Aisa nahi hai. You can do it for any point of time in a week. In terms of section 26 of RBI Act, every bank note, whatever we are having 10 rupees, 20 rupees, that is called as Reserve Bank of India note. Okay, that's why it is called as bank note, shall be a legal tender. Okay, as because a bank note is a legal tender across the country, Andaman, Lakshadweep, wherever India's territorial jurisdictions are there, you can use your cash. In the same way, e-rupee can also be used any part of the country, anywhere. It's a digital form of rupee. If you see the what I see is that the difference between the digital rupee and UPI. UPI is a means of payment. Means you are having a QR card. UPI is a QR code only. But if you have money only, you can transact. No. So e-rupee is a digital rupee, whereas UPI is a means, a mode of payment. The offline feature of e-rupee enables a user to transact in the locations where we do not have internet. Suppose I am living in the remotest area. Okay, just imagine a point that you are going away from Hyderabad. So the moment you go from away from Hyderabad, you go to Uppal, the 4G will 5G will become 4G. Go again farther, 4G will become 3G, like that. And in some places you will not even find the network. You might have seen in your life, you might have went many a times, many places where you are unable to catch the network. But at that time, if you are having a digital rupee in your wallet, how can you transact, right or wrong? So our RBI has given us this particular facility that you can even transact the e-rupee when the internet is not there. That is a very offline, awesome feature of our digital rupee. The programmability feature means how can be duplicated, can it be counterfeit, means all these are there. Okay, the specific designated purpose, for what purpose, expiry date will be written on it, geolocation where it is being issued, that will also be there, merchant category codes where actually you are paying, so merchant, virtual, private, whatever the networks are there, etc. So it can be programmed on a wide range of areas. I hope this is all clear to you. This is all about stablecoin. This is all about CBDC. Okay. Now, as I've told you that wholesale central bank digital currency is designed right now. Has been running also. Many of the interbank settlements, large value transactions are being done with the e-digital rupee. Now let us go with the another important scheme for the tribal people, Adi Karmayogi Abhiyaan. Karmayogi is nothing but you become a leader. So we are actually trying to promote tribal people to take the leadership roles in their own locality. Obviously, if we want to be given a leadership role, okay, suppose I am like we are having class of 40 students, so I want to be a leader. So how can that be possible? The class teacher, the management should ask me, okay, from now onwards, you are responsible for the student grievances, you are responsible for the surveillance during the tests, etc. So the role should be given to them, given to me, okay, by the management, right or wrong. Then I can learn that leadership qualities are not. Yes, in the same way here also, government of India want to give tribal people the leadership role in the form of what, development of projects, development of infrastructure, etc. So and so forth. Nothing but a participatory democracy is being pushed here. Okay, Adi Karmayogi Abhiyaan envisage as the world largest tribal grassroots from the very nearer level. Okay, the people will be picked up, will be elected and will be involved in what governance. That's how they will assume and embrace the leadership qualities. And this particular program will be reaching around 11.4 crore tribal citizens across 1 lakh villages and tolas in 30 states. The initiatives were formally launched on 17 September. This is Hyderabad Liberation Day also from Nizam 2025 at Dhar, Madhya Pradesh. Tribal Village Vision 2030 has been launched by the government. The heart of Adi Seva Parv. Okay, that is what the tagline. The historic milestone was achieved on 2nd October 2025 when tribal villages and tolas formally passed their tribal village vision 2030 declaration during the special Gram Sabhas. So all special Gram Sabhas, all of them have actually, tribal Gram Sabhas has actually convened a meeting and they have launched a vision of what? Tribal Village Vision 2030. This participatory process ensures that every tribal community charts its own development priorities for the next decade, aligned with Viksit Bharat 2047. Under this initiative, 1 lakh village visions and Adi Seva Kendras will be actually are under progress, means we are going to develop them. Then last one in our discussion today, Prime Minister will launch PM-SETU, Pradhan Mantri Skilling and Employability Transformation through upgraded ITAs. A centrally sponsored scheme with investment of 60,000 crore. The scheme envisages upgradation of 1,000 government ITAs across the country in the hub and spoke model. So 4 pillars are there. Okay, this is one pillar is advanced infrastructure should be there wherever the skilling centers are there. Second one is modern trade, like nothing but wholesale, nothing but Ratnadeep, DMart, that kind of things should be taught. Third pillar is digital learning systems like ENAM, etc. They should be knowing about it. Incubation facilities are nothing but where they can, after skilling, they can start their own business. For that purpose, they need to have a area where they can do that particular areas are called as incubation centers. Whatever is being required to them from the government side, all that assistance will be given to them in the form of giving them electricity, giving them infrastructure, giving them conference halls. So that particular place is called as incubation center, just like creating a cyber tower in high-tech city and asking you to just go and start your business. So cyber city is already there, roads are already connected to it, metros are already connected to it, electricity is already given to cyber tower. Okay, compartments are already made, security systems are already installed, everything is being done. That is called as incubation center. The moment I get these skills with regard to IT, I can just apply for it and take one of the what area in cyber towers and start my business. That is called as incubation facilities. I hope this is all clear to you. Thank you very much for hearing to me. Do join my classes, test series and mentorship. I will be very slow when we are actually communicating with each other when you join the courses. I won't be that much of fast because I believe that now it's time to hurry up to rush up. So make sure that you don't just sit down and think what you want to do. Connect to me, you will be better off when compared to your competitors. Take care.